Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm gonna do a week in my life vlog, so let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I go by the name of Asanda.Sekoko. This is my channel, child. This is my channel, and mind you, subscription is free, ne? So please do not forget to hit that subscribe button to officially become a member of my beautiful small little Nyana family that we have over here. We go up we support each other, and yeah. Those who are new, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And my regular digulars, my number one subbies. Thank you so much for sticking it with me. Welcome to another vlog, guys. I want to do week in my life vlog because Sunday it is your girl's birthday. I'm excited even though I have nothing planned because I have no money. Even though I had money, I don't think I would have anything planned. Do it fast. Sunday it is your girl's birthday. I am excited, obviously, but I have nothing planned. Because I have no money. Even if I had money, I feel like I wouldn't have anything planned, but I just want to, yeah, I have a wig, guys, So yeah, let's just go to Parati Mall. Let me do an outfit check. Where can I put you guys? Let me see. I'm not sure if I can see you guys because I'm recording with my back camera. So I'm wearing my green Foshini puffer jacket, this bag, and this boots, and then I'm wearing with pants and this. I love it so much. Anyways, I hope that you guys saw me, but let us get going.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy.
Okay.
Remember that.
You didn't come this far just to come this far.
Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why I'm American Express my love for you.
Waring. Boo. Pity. Pity. Huh?
That's nuts, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Beat around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go. Yeah. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin on.
Hi guys, welcome to another day. Today it is Tuesday. It is the 15, 16, 17, 18, I think it's the 18th. Yeah. Welcome to another day. As you guys have seen, I'm from ShopRite and I look this crusty. Yes, I do. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what I bought. Yeah. So I'll begin here. I didn't really buy much. I just bought 3 loaves of bread, and then I bought 2 of these for my mom, and then I bought this for my mom for work, and then I bought this pork bangers. I actually want to try them. And then I also bought these. This is for me and Uya for later today. Yeah. That is the only thing that I bought at ShopRite. I really quiet. So I bought 2 of these Black Crown Gin and Tonic. It is so nice. I haven't tried the one yet, Marula or Gamarula. I haven't. And then I got your girl what birthday like a Sunday. So I decided to buy myself some wine. So I don't know. I bought myself some Namakwa Melo. I can't really burn, but this is what I bought. It's a medium bottled smooth red wine. I bought myself this. This is for the week, for my birthday. Yes, I have nothing planned, but that doesn't mean that I still cannot celebrate and enjoy, you know. That is all that I bought. So let me cook and yeah, bye. I bought myself some lunch, huh? I don't even know how this thing tastes. Child.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though.
Hi guys, I just wanted to show you what I bought when I went to Mpakati Mall at Angel Kiss. That is just the one thing that I personally say that I didn't show you guys. And yeah, let me get them. Cheese! Cheese! So I bought the pendos. I bought these pentoses, and then I bought some Ghost Bond. Not really, I'm not saying cheese. So some ghost bond and glue. Noise. Say that. Don't do that. These are the little things that I bought. Get those ama glue up and those. Cheese. Little cheese. Cheese. Hey guys. So this is me. I just did the pen toast. This is it. I glued and everything. It's very hard when I do this. But yeah. This is the week. We'll see. When I'm feeling sure. Ooh, Batu. So, an update, ne? This is how I look. Please do not laugh at me. I did these ribbons, 4 ribbons on top, because the wig was coming onto where I would normally put the glue. But this is how it is. I do not have that black thingy. I'm using this, and we'll see. Yeah, now I'll get to use my purple thingy. This. I want to use this to be able to hide this and wait for the electricity to come back, straighten it, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Initially, I wanted to be on my head, the wig. Reason being, on the weekend, I want to look beautiful. It's my birthday on Sunday. I don't have any plans, but that doesn't mean that I should just look like a mashalela, So, yeah. Yay! Bye for now. I am so shiny. Like, damn, I'm so shiny. But anyway, yay! Bye. So, hey, yeah, season 5, Papa. So this is my snack. This is my snack while we wait for the mutlakase to come back. Hi. Cheese. This is my snack while we wait for the mutlakase to come back. Yep. Hi guys, welcome to Thursday. This is me. I'll explain further, but sorry. Welcome to Thursday. It is around 1 a.m. in the morning. I didn't vlog yesterday. It was Wednesday. Yeah. Diakoa, guys. Diakoa. Diakoa. But yeah. I need to explain. I took off the wig, right, yesterday. And I just put it on. And I did these. I did these. I did a little bit of these. I did a little bit of these. I just need to straighten the wig, but I'm not going to straighten it now. It's just that installing it, I wanted to install it now. But this is how I am. I did these. I did a little bit of these. Yes, I need to I don't know here in front, but I'll see. Anyways, like I said, it is Thursday, and y'all, I just wanted to update y'all that Ndiagoa, and it is 2 a.m. in the morning on a Thursday, and in Ndiagoa, I'm busy plugging wigs, mfaka mawiki on the AMs. Explain that for me. Please don't. But anyways, all I can say is, if your mental health is not okay, don't deny it. If you're not okay, you're not okay. If you're not okay, you're just not okay. Don't try to be okay just to not stress people out. That will break you one day, and yeah, I guess that is all I can say. All I can say is take care of your guys' mental health. Please. Like, please, guys. Take care of your mental health. And, yeah. If something is not sitting right with you, in your heart, in your soul, in your mind, in everything, talk about it. You know, if you want to scream about it, scream about it. If you want to shout someone and do all of that for you to be able to express yourself, and then do it. Like, period, do it. Anyways, I just wanted to bop my wig so I can go sleep. I do not have the, what's this? The black thingy y'all guys use to put your, I forgot the name. Whatever that is, I don't have it, so I'm using I'm using this, and it is working for me. Like, it is working, like it is working like wonders for me. Anyways, let me put you guys so I hope you guys can see me. Yeah, I'm gonna check the glue. I put this right over here. Since I'm going to bed, I'm just gonna tie it once, and I get like that much, you know. And then, just because I have a bonnet, and I didn't do the strings, I think I'll do the strings tomorrow. So I put this over. You guys know most the rest, you know. The lugusha is just for the baby hair. Would you jump my phone like that? Like, don't. Like, the lugusha is just for the baby hairs to sit in place. Okay. And then this purple thing is for the bonnet to also sit in place. The bonnet shouldn't move. I didn't tell you guys that when I woke up. I didn't tell you guys that when I woke up, all of these was in place. I'm so happy, child. I was using a scissor for everything. So let me put it back in the bag before I forget. Yeah. So let me go to bed. Ooh, this phone is so jealous. Oh my gosh. Let me go to bed. Sorry that you guys are falling, but wow, it was very hard to shoot content. Trust me. Bye, guys. Oh, so cute, babes. So guys, go Gravity. Remember the group vlog that I made? Go is going there. You look so nice.
Thank you, bro.
The theme, child. It is what?
Thick thighs.
Thick Thighs Thursday. Period, child. Woo! Sharp girl.
Bye. I'm
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace.
This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel that? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, that feeling just grows stronger. Should leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on below. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong. Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private place.
It's uyagula. Welcome to the doctor.
I'm sick. Welcome to the doctor. I'm scared.
You scared, why?
Because they're going to give me an injection.
In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me back out. Biggie man, we do back what's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when you do, I try to do my way. Plenty survive with.
Hi.
What are you cooking?
A special lunch for my favorite doctor.
Yes.
For
What's on the menu?
birthday today.
Or que surprise cooking on the menu?
Yeah, it's a surprise. Sweet potatoes with chicken, grilled rice, and red cabbage.
Okay.
Yes. I'm busy, you are disturbing me.
Nothing I remember that. Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid, copy, got to. Pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, rich nigga. Oh, 100 pockets riding, got it. I go to space with the stars. I smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $500,000 on the necklace. No rich nigga, we successful. Say she wanna feel special. What? The Coco make her feel special. I count 100 or better. 100. Back in 200 or better. 200. I might go put all my chains on. I just might change up the weather. She pop a perk and pussy wetter. Drip. I met the bitch at Coachella. If she Nutella, she probably do better. But can I get an E for effort? I pray to God to wash my sins. God, the phone against me, not a weapon, no weapon. Asking where do I begin? Where? Never trying to take my blessings. They don't know the meaning of the white. Nah. You don't really live this life. No. Niggas in the hood shoot twice. So my niggas in the hood shoot precise. Real wise, we ain't taking no advice. Nah. I realize that these hoes ain't right. Don't need to ask cause they know what's the price. Ain't gotta snow, they already know it's white. I talk to God cause I been baptized. I got mob tied to the north side. Pull up with the sticks on a nigga straight slime. They gon' make the north side high crime. Been I hit a lick with these niggas dropping 10. Hit a lick with these niggas dropping dimes. Fucking on the friend, I'ma break her back in. Looking at the watch, I can't waste time. Take off. Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny.
Oh, Sissy, when I'm eating.
Jive. Right. You guys are going out. Nagasala, going up with the girl. So, birthday, get it?
Nah. Get it, catch you.
23 July. You feel like you're
23 July.
Yeah.
Oh, 23 July.
Okay. How about the star sign? Sarah, what are you?
Like an guy.
When I about to believe I'm more star signing.
Can't honest star sign, Sarah.
Leo.
Leo. I'm a Leo. Leo girl, Leo. Lipstick I keep feel why?
Red, L.E.
Pinkish.
Hey,
can I go to Pazane? Then so holy right.
Shake it, girl.
Shake it, but don't break it. You shake it.
This is Namakwa. Yeah, this is Namakwa. The best wine in the world.
Yeah. 50 kilo. I keep 50 kilo. What am I saying?
Wait. I'm telling you,
Must not take your botats.
we start that no cook it. I go bone mosquito.
What let to Utlabon and what let to me fast?
Kibe, Mother Terrace.
We bear Momo Ginny Yahoo.
Hello, Fofa.
Hello, Fofelang. Talking him baking. Woo, a tampa. Woo. Put the paper out.
Hey, boop. Yes. I say.
Hey, guys, what's going on?
Why? This child over here.
Why is waiting you?
Can I get my one?
Momo.
Copa tissue chum.
The wine got in her eyes. Please bring tissue.
The wine is what?
Hi guys, sorry, I know that I owe you guys an explanation and updating and catching up a lot, but so far I just wanted to show you my nails. I wanted to show you guys my nails and we'll catch up Today it is the 24th and it is 26 or 25 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. We are going to an optometrist because we are concealing class. Let's just get going. I will update you guys when we get back. Bye.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wait, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit heavy wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you in it cause you know I like it. Taking up a dick for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We think too much.
She likes light colors, man. Sure. Efeng, ele e clear ne? Le e ka re grey e. O sang bon? U sure ngale? 100% sure. U sure. Ayikho loose. Kumele bengathi yaqina phela mayihlala ihlala ukuthi hleli. Jump so. Jump. Oh. Right. Hi guys, Welcome to Tuesday. Today it is the 25th of July. What? 23. 24, 25. Yeah, I get it 25. Wow. Okay. Today it is the 25th of July and nah, ufuna charge phone kakhulu. Let's ngizayifaka la. Thank you. I wanted to say welcome. Sorry about that. I didn't say welcome, and I am vlogging in Uya's room, even though I am currently, but I am this side. Yeah, I made a plan in Yana to be able to get better lighting, even though it's still during the day. Please do not ask me why. Anyways, welcome. I just wanted us to, we should just have a talk, like just a catch-up session, Yana. You know, I should update y'all what has been happening. And while I actually took out this week, I did not have a spray, so I just pour water in a bowl, right? And y'all, just to warn you guys, after this week is off, what's under is actually a disaster, way worse than I don't know what, but yeah. So I just wanted us to take out this wig. This thing has been on my head and I feel like my hairline just wants me to scratch it. Like even my lashes, they came, like I took them out during the night, 30 a.m. I felt like I was dying. I wanted to scratch my eyes so bad. There was even a point where I slept with one lash because here the glue was just still feeling itself. Like I was finished, child. Like I was really finished. So I've been using this ever since. So it's time I take out this wig so this thing can just go get washed. It's about that time. I just use a cloth and water. I can't see myself because there's no mirror. Wait. Oh yeah. Red. Well, Uya go get fetch a mirror. I think I should. Red. I'm not sure. Hi. Hi. Okay, come say hi. Hi. Hamba. Bye bye. So Hey, out. I did warn you guys, what's under is way worse. I did say most. Look at me now. Out, pup. Out. Out. I just figured I am doing myself a lot of work, so let's just work with what we have. Okay, 96. So while we catch on, I feel like I should be honest with you guys, you know, because like I said, I want you guys to see me where I'm down, when I'm up, when I'm left, right, center, jonga, you know. So I'll start here. I was in a relationship. No, I should not put it here. No, we'll do a sit down for that. I want to keep you guys. Actually, let me start with why I haven't been vlogging after the groove vlog. I'm sure most of y'all have been wondering. I'm sure it's because of something that happened at the groove awards. No, it is not. The groove was amazing. I enjoyed. I cannot wait to be going again. Just like Kukizo went on Thursday. I wanted to go, but I couldn't. What I will tell you guys though is that I just felt like I deserved a break. You know, I don't want to say vlogging can be a bit much, but I will state that vlogging can be, I don't know what's the word to use, but yeah, that's vlogging. You get to, when you begin, right? I'm telling you about my experience. When you begin, like wakala noyana ni, when you start, it's more of, you know, you want to do this, 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 you want to do, like, you know what you want, but hi. Hi. Clap your hands. Yeah, hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. What's up, Rock? Oh shit. So, like I was saying, Leano is making me feel like I'm muntu, you know. Go put your left. Please sit here. I can tell you phone, ne? No. Why should we be fighting for the phone, Leano, man? Hey, what boy? I'm click vlog alwen. Man. Tolong kau dulu sedikit sah. I just needed a break. Like, I needed a break from vlogging. I wouldn't say I needed a break from social media. No, I needed a break from vlogging. Vlogging has matata, you know, like vlogging is not matata, and having a specific content that you actually stick with is not matata, you know. Matata is when it just all gets too overwhelming. I can use that word, right? It can be when you get more views and less subscribers. It's when you get no likes. It's when you get no likes. It's when you get no comments. It's when you get no shares. It's when you get guys. All I am just asking from you guys is that please do support. Please do support. Like, show your support fully. I'd be getting 88 views or 84 or 40, but I'm still at 29 or 30 subscribers. Please do subscribe. Please do share. Please do interact with me. Check out my other social media accounts. Please do interact with me, because I would not lie and say that this is not my life. This is my life. This is how I am living. This is how I am. And And now I'd say that I am choosing to actually be vulnerable with you guys, and that's all that I'm just saying. Please do not forget to interact with me. Please do not forget to check out my other social media accounts. I feel like all I can say is that I just needed a break from vlogging. I need a break from vlogging and just focus on myself and my family and just be within. Life is short to always be wanting to record everything. Some things you do not want to record, you just want to enjoy. And all I can say is that thank you so much for my subbies that have already subscribed. Thank you so much to those that have been with me from day one. And I guess now 24. Speaking of Leano, sure. Now that I have mentioned 24, I do want to say that I am no longer wanting to have a birthday and tell myself I do not want anything. Like, what was I thinking? But I will not complain because Koketso and Nontanta really came through for me. My lovies, they really do came through for me, and yeah, you know. Hi, she's always looking at me every time I vlog. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this vlog up until here. If you got to this part, thank you for finishing it. Thank you for showing the love. Thank you for showing the support. Thank you for the subbies that have been here from day one, my regular subbies. Thank you for the new subbies. If you are new here, child, I'm saying it again, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Subscription is free in this channel. I go by the name of Asanda.Sekoko, and I'm closing it off. Bye.